The current crisis in Rojava is a direct consequence of contradictions in the American policy in Syria and in the Middle East in general. What we see is the creation of a new balance of power in the Middle East and the creation of a new nation state or restructuring of the nation state in Syria. America is using the old model of nation state building, which is based on the connection between political power and the larger ethnicity. This is the basis of the new order that is being created in Syria. But this is a part of a larger plan that I call it Pax Americana. Pax Americana is an essentially a strategy for the elimination of democratic diversities for the creation of centralized conservative states in the Middle East. This is the old colonial system in our era. So we are creating a system under Pax Americana, which is leading to the creation of permanent oppressed minorities, be they the Kurds, be they the Druze, be they the Alevis, or Christians and Assyrians. This is the system which is being created. And this is created by somebody on the ground there, in the political field operating, which is totally devoid of any democratic political culture, a businessman which does not understand the region, does not understand principles of modern democratic politics and has no respect for them. We are in this situation. That person is fundamentally driven. I mean here Tom Barrack. Tom Barrack is fundamentally driven by the idea of order. Order created at every expense. And this order, from his point of view, is the creation of stability by giving power to the larger majority ethnicity, and forgetting about the rest.